Offering discounts on your pre-orders is a great way to encourage sales. And you've got two options: percentage and fixed amount. Each one works a little differently, so here's a quick breakdown. Percentage discount takes off a percentage of the product price. It's perfect if you want to offer a consistent discount across multiple products, like 10% off pre-orders. While fixed amount discount deducts a set amount from the total price, regardless of the product price. It's great for offering a fixed dollar amount, like $5 off pre-orders. Here's how to set it up. Open the PreOrder Now app and go to the Settings section. Scroll down to the Discount section. Choose the type of discount you want to apply, either fixed amount or percentage. For percentage, enter the percentage you want to offer. And for fixed amount, enter the exact amount to be deducted. Once that's done, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your discount will now be applied to pre-orders.